Hey everyone, in this guide, we are going to show you how to connect Terabox to your Telegram bot. So once you're on the Telegram app, simply search for Connect Terabot. So always make sure to choose the official version, and once you do, simply type in /start. This will now begin the conversation with the bot. And to find out about the other bots that Terabox provides, simply type in /available bots. This will then show you all the available bots you can connect to. And to connect your Terabox to the Telegram bot, simply tap on the menu icon in the bottom left corner, then select Connect. You'll then be given instructions on how to connect Terabox. So what we need to do now is simply head over to the Terabox app. So you can then go ahead and tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. And from here, you can then tap Webmaster. So this will then redirect you to this screen where you then have to tap Sign In. Then go ahead and select one of the available plans, and you'll then be taken to your dashboard. So just go ahead and make sure you're on the program overview page. So in order to connect to the Telegram bot, you can then choose which link you'd prefer, such as the new users or a referral program link. So in this case, let's go for a new users link. Then here, you then have to tap Go to Associate. Then next, tap on the copy and submit button. And you can then paste this on Telegram. And in case it gives you an error saying unknown input, simply restart the process by typing in /connect. Then finally, you will then have to agree to the connection, and your Terabox will then be connected to your Telegram bot. So if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.